Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting on this beautiful afternoon a 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Now let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, you see your well-made parking area for 3 vehicles. Look at the ceiling height here with the wooden design, giving it a very grand feel. And as you walk to this side, you have access towards the service area at the side of the house. You see, you also have your steel water tank right there. My first impression for this house so far is it feels very polished, very pulido. Very clean lines all throughout the space. Okay? We're now here at the natural wooden door of the house, and in addition, the main level of the house is also elevated by about 2 to 3 feet from the street. So there's no flooding in this area, but that adds to the feel of the home. Okay? Now, welcome to your beautiful home. This house has an open concept plan. You immediately have a clear view from the living all the way towards the dining space of the home. And you also have a view all the way to the kitchen area. Now from this angle, you see you already have a split type Daikin air conditioning unit. And you have immediately upon entry your powder room. So this is great in terms of convenience. And then your flooring is easy to maintain, easy to clean, and one of the great features of this home are all these windows throughout this side of the house. So you have this large fixed window and 2 sliding doors. And let's step out a bit so that you have an idea on this side of the house. So just to clarify, this house is beside another house which is also in the market. So right now, there's no wall here because you're being given the option as well, and the market is being given the option to potentially purchase both homes. But in case the house on this side is purchased or this house is purchased, of course, we can have a wall constructed to divide the 2 homes. Okay? Let's go. And now from your living space, you have your dining area. You see it's defined by this space where you have cove lighting. Of course, you have a provision here for your own type of light fixture right over your table. In terms of the size, you could even have a table here for up to 10 or even 12 people. I like how clear the glass is here. And when you open this up, you have a nice patio space. Partially covered here. And if you stand on this side, you can appreciate the size. There's already an outlet here. So if you want to set up a table here and make this a nice workspace, this is also ideal for that. In addition, I'd also like to point out that there is an additional design here for the fence. So this is of course artificial plants, but that gives you a cool feel. Okay, let's head on in. Another nice feature is having an accordion screen here. Now, of course, from your dining area, you have your open kitchen space. Now, this kitchen is very modern, very clean, polished in terms of the look. It has that gray motif, and it's almost basically finished. The final touch will be the tiles here, which are going to be laid out in the next few weeks. But you see, it's very clean right now, and you already have a built-in Elba cooktop here. You have a microwave and an oven as well, and lots of pantry space. And I like the double level countertop here. This is excellent for having some stools here, and I can imagine having a nice cool light fixture here and making this a nice breakfast nook, or even a place to have cool late night conversations with your family and friends. Okay. And there's also a refrigerator already included. Okay. And on top of having your well-organized kitchen, you also have this door leading towards an organized service kitchen again. So on this space, you can have an additional refrigerator, like a second refrigerator. There's a heavy tiled sink here already for heavy washing, and especially if you have like the bigger pans. And then I like the attention to detail. You have this cabinet just to have an aesthetic for your circuit breakers, and then this area here where you can have an additional cooktop, and then a dedicated area for laundry. So sometimes this is overlooked, but for this particular property, it has been built into the design, even the plumbing, see? So it's so organized, washer, dryer. So if you want that setup already made for your home, this is a great option. Okay? And then when you open this up, you have your staff quarters on this side. So you have a single room here. I'll just walk in. Just enough for a bed. Okay? And then, but it also has a window here. You have a bathroom that's just being finished now. And then an additional room here. This can be you can potentially have a small bed here, but it's up to you how you want to maximize this room. And then you have access back to the parking area. And then just for your orientation, you have your water tank here. You have your water pump here. Just to give you an idea, this brand, DAB, is a high quality water pump brand. Okay? And then access back to the patio space. Now we're back here at the main living area. From this angle, you see once again the size of the space. You can have your television here or on this side. And then let's explore now the bedrooms. There's one room here, downstairs, and then 4 upstairs. A nice design aspect here is how high the doors are. They're almost near to the ceiling. These are at least 2.7 meters. And then you have your first room here, which can double as a home office, playroom, music room, and it already has cove lighting and additional storage. And in terms of lighting, you have these windows giving you a view of your parking area, but that gives you additional ventilation, and you have an ensuite bathroom right here with a very modern look also. See that recessed space right over the water closet? That's a nice interior design touch. And now we have your staircase leading up to the second level. Very sturdily built, tempered glass barrier here, and then natural wood for the railing, and also for the steps. You also have some guide lights right here. And then a large window. We have very good timing today in terms of our shooting schedule because it's clear blue skies all throughout the day, a beautiful summer day. Okay, so right now we have 4 rooms here. We are going to begin with one of the other rooms, a second, third, fourth bedroom, and then we're gonna cap it off with the master bedroom. Let's begin here. So this is the second bedroom, and it's a corner room. What I noticed first right away is how clean and pulido, how well laid out the flooring is. So this is a natural wood. This is more of a laminate with a wood design. But you see, if you want to see how well built a house is in terms of the flooring, you should check out how cleanly this is installed. See, there are no big gaps. And then regular room size, you can have a large TV on this side. You already have an air conditioning unit and a nice ensuite bathroom. Once again, you have those nice recessed spaces for toiletries. Yeah, this is cute. You could have like a small potted plant here with a spotlight. And then the cabinetry is built already into this recessed space. Modular, and even the texture they use, it's very modern, and at the same time, it blends very well with the aesthetic. Here we have your third bedroom. Once again, it's a corner room, 4 windows. So you have lots of ventilation, air conditioning unit already included, cabinetry already here. I'm loving the room sizes of this house. And then you already have cable provision, LAN provision here, so you can have your television here. And then you have your bathroom on this side, okay? Let's go. We're now back here at the hallway. I just want to point out a few details. There are even outlets placed here. So if you want to have like a table here, make this a nice display area. Maybe even have like a small chair right here just to maximize the space. It's up to you. So there's provision in terms of appliances that you can have plugged in here. Okay, so here you have your 4th bedroom. In Tagalog, the feeling as you enter every room is maaliwalas because of the combination of the light color of the flooring with the white walls and contrasted also with the darker baseboard. Once again, this is a corner room. Nice high ceiling, and I like that they put even, this is what you call a shadow line. That gives added depth and texture to the ceiling space. And once again, you have built-in cabinetry and an ensuite bathroom. Yeah, so the door for this one is just about to be installed, okay? So in terms of the arrangement of your furniture, you can have and appliances, you can have your TV on this side and bed right here. Or even reversed, it's up to you. Okay, so the entire house is arranged very intuitively. There's no area that feels constrained or dark. Everything is well lit, and that also applies for your master bedroom. Upon entry, you immediately have a walk-in closet space right here, a dresser area, and a bathroom space. Let's show this first. So you have your water closet here, large sink space, and I'm gonna walk in so you see the size. Very modern feel, nice lighting. So you have indirect lighting here and here. This is a nice touch. And then of course, you have your main master bedroom space. Once again, a corner room. Regular shaped, but of course, this room stands out because of the walk-in closet area. There's also cove lighting here, a Daikin split type inverter air conditioning unit. And what I like about this room is there are multiple ways that you can organize it. You can have your bed here, even here, or on this side. On all four sides, you can have your bed. It's up to you. Okay, so very versatile in terms of the organization of your furniture. Okay. We're back here at the main hallway, and that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.